Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Omnis pudding Onyx White. In this video I'll show you how to manage media button. As you can see, this keyboard is not equipped with typical media panel like different keyboards because this one is strictly gaming keyboard. Let's take a look at the top right corner. Thanks to this knob, we can change volume of our computer, and if you press the knob, you can mute or unmute the computer quickly. That's basically it for media control from this keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.